Hi, thanks for clicking on my ad. I've sold probably a couple hundred Guitar Hero, Rock Band guitars, drum sets. I've done microphones as well, but those don't really need repair. So really the guitars and the drum sets, I've pulled hundreds from thrift shops, sold them on eBay, Amazon. I want to extend my services to basically repairing either the fret slides, or not the slide, but the actual buttons. You know, the red, green, blue, yellow, orange. Oftentimes they lack sensitivity. I've done a lot of research. I've repaired dozens of the fret keys to adjust for optimal sensitivity, along with the Strum Bar up and down switch. I've repaired dozens, probably 50 to 100 of those as well. Those require inserting a new switch, desoldering out the old switch, resoldering in the new one, and then basically just testing it to make sure it's optimally sensing the up and down strum. So just let me know if you have any questions, but that's what I'm doing here in this eBay listing service. I hope to get some business. I think it can do really well for your guitar.